Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken broth for ramen. Start by roasting bones and aromatics to deepen flavor, then simmer gently with water and salt. Skim foam frequently and strain through a fine sieve for clear broth. Finish with a splash of sake or soy for balance and adjust seasoning to taste. Use some reserved chicken meat to enrich the broth and create a heartier bowl. For great broth, choose bones with collagen and a few aromatics for depth. Start with cold water and bring slowly to a simmer to pull flavors without clouding. Add a modest piece of kombu or dried mushroom for umami steeped into the stock, but remove before it turns slimy. Salt later so you can control seasoning, and reserve some cooked chicken for toppings or to enrich the bowl. Quick recommendation: on another note, those leak-proof containers make storing and portioning ramen broth a breeze and stop spills in your fridge. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more videos like this. I love how they stack and seal, saving time on busy nights and keeping flavors locked in. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Small technique changes make big differences in clarity and flavor. Blanch or roast bones, first depending on whether you want a cleaner or more roasted character. Keep the simmer low and steady so collagen dissolves without emulsifying fat into the stock. Strain through a fine sieve, cool quickly in an ice bath, and remove solidified fat for a clean, glossy finish that lets your ramen toppings shine in the bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.